beloved students, I hope you are maintaining social distancing, practicing health hygiene, and wearing your mask properly. Today is 5th June. 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day all over the world. And the theme for this year's World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. According to UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Program, the theme aims to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradations of ecosystem on every continent and on every ocean. Ecosystem restoration is very, very important because each and every species on this planet Earth has a definite role to play to maintain ecological balance. Ecosystem restoration can be done in many ways, like planting trees, by cleaning rivers, by preparing and protecting gardens, and many other ways. Srimati Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, attended the World Environment Conference in Stockholm in 1972 and had said, the survival of man is dependent on the survival of plant and animals. Because each and every species has a very important role to play in the ecosystem. For example, these green plants, they take up carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. Thereby, they maintain atmospheric balance. Likewise, many plants, many animals, they have definite role in the ecosystem, and losing of this species causes ecological imbalance. Therefore, restoration of the ecosystem or protection of the environment is the need of the hour. You, I, all of us, we can do a bit to protect our own environment. Therefore, today on this World Environment Day, I'd like to appeal to all the parents, to all the students and all my colleagues to plant a tree in front of your house, and you can name it as Tree of Peace. And you can look after the plant you have planted and you can take care of it. That will give you happiness. That will give some peace in you. I hope all of you will plant a sapling, plant a tree in front of your house wherever it is possible, and name it as Tree of Peace. So with this, I'd like to end, but I'd like to remind you once again that the fight against the coronavirus is not over yet. Therefore, wear a mask properly, wash your hands with soap and running water frequently, and maintain social distancing. Thank you.